Is your coffee ready? Are your materials ready? Is your water ready? And your favorite podcast, is it ready? What about your dog? Is she ready? Are you ready for Inktober?
Hello everyone, my name is Estefania Santos and I'm an illustrator from Quito, Ecuador. So for today's video, we're going to see something about Inktober, and this is my dog Bubble. Burbuja, hola, hola! I had to take her for a walk, so we are going to do Inktober later. Okay, bye! Okay, so we are back in the studio. What you're going to see is kind of the process because I'm already late. I'm 5 days late. Today is 5th of October. So yeah, I should have started before, but you know, life just happened. But I decided to carry on anyway because I really enjoy the process of doing Inktober in 2018. And I want to do something special, the theme of continental Ecuadorian volcanoes and mountains. And because I didn't have any black ink, I decided to carry on with the materials I already had. So I tried to experiment to figure out some kind of fun and different way to do it. So you're going to see the process, and tomorrow I will be on time. Hopefully. So yeah, wish me luck and see you in the next clip.
Okay, so the materials I'm using are a very bad quality paper. So please, if you see it in your supply store, like art supply store, please don't buy it because it has a very bad quality. But I just carry on anyway. I'm using brushes Cotman, Winsor & Newton with a synthetic hair, inks by Winsor & Newton. So it has sunshine yellow, orange, apple green, brilliant green, and ultramarine. And with the pencils, I'm using Albert Dürer Faber-Castell Tulabug. I also have Derwent Inktense Sea Blue and the Super Color Grande Ash. I have Cobalt Blue and White. Welcome to the voiceover. So I'm using the inks that I told you before. I'm not using black because I ran out. And I wanted to experiment with all these inks that I had, and I really love the result. I experiment on very small size, so I knew kind of the result that I was going to get, but on big format I could have more texture on the paper, or the texture of the paint. And I thought, oh, this is going to be horrible, but you will see how it will turn out. So the last volcano you saw, it's Sangay volcano, and is located in the Amazon region, and is 5,260 meters long, and it has a glacier, so it's very active as well. Like a couple weeks ago it was exploding. And here you also can see the Tulabug volcano. I think it's an extinct volcano and is located in Chimborazo province, and its height is 3,336 meters long.
This model, we're trying to reduce our inputs so we focus more on profit than.
This is El Altar volcano, and it's very beautiful because it has a glacier, and it also has a lake inside the cauldron, so it's very beautiful. I wish someday I could go there and hike. It's very high, so it's 5,319 meters long, and really to take a photograph is really beautiful.
Hey there! So today is Tuesday, 6th of October, and I'm afraid that I didn't continue until what you watched yesterday, so yeah, life happened.
Gonna take it. No, we ain't gonna take it. We're not gonna take it anymore.
Hopefully today I will finish the 6 Inktober drawings or paintings that I have to do. But I really want to finish everything today, and tomorrow I will be like on time. The 7th drawing will done the 7th day because I have other projects and I really don't want to spend all my time doing Inktober. So wish me luck. See you in a bit.
Want to stay. I don't say that's necessarily the best thing to do, but I think a lot of people from our back, myself, or I guess taking that risk to kind of leave.
This is Chimborazo volcano, and is the furthest point on Earth measured from the center of the Earth. so it's higher than the Everest actually if you measure from the center of the earth. Okay, what you're seeing here is Tungurahua volcano, and it's a very, very active volcano. It's famous because Baños is a very touristic place, and you can take a photo here. It's called La Casa del Árbol, and actually it won the National Geographic Photography Prize in 2014 just from this spot. This other one is called Quilotoa, and it's a very, very beautiful volcano because it's like a cauldron, and inside there is a lake, and that is colored turquoise when it's very sunny, so it's perfect for pictures. It is a must if you come here as well. So now what I'm doing is using the color pencils to kind of highlight the glacier and putting details on like the first like in layers, so it has like a depth and also shadows or shades, and putting details on the ashes that the volcano is pushing away, as well as vegetation and trees, and just to make it a little bit more 3D and not so flat. So that was my approach, and I think this is quite easy to do it because you just do the wet on wet technique, let it dry, and just put it with these color pencils. I noticed that the challange and the white one were perfect for glaciers because the Inktense sea blue it was very, very dark, so I used the Inktense to put more things that were closer to me and they were darker. But for example, the Faber-Castell, I also like it, and just to put the details on the colored areas. But for glaciers, just the challange and just some spots with the white pencil that it was as well challange. Yeah, and I think it's also valid to do it because as well Inktense is kind of made with ink, but it's a color pencil, so I think it's not that I'm too like a mixed media thing.
Hey there, I already have done 5, so I up to date to yesterday. I will finish number 6, but I'm just going to stop filming now, I'm going to film that, but I need to leave like right now. So anyway, enjoy the rest of the video. Hopefully I can make it to until the 31 days, and see you the next time with another video next week. Okay, bye.
Then as well, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy it. I also want to let you know that I'm doing the Inktober challenge keeping up, so you can check out my Instagram account to see the other volcanoes, and if I manage to do all the challenge, I will do another video that will be part 2, and I will just put the links on the box or just on the corner of the screen. So see you again next time and next week with another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.